Welcome to another episode of Transformation for your home and your life. Here on Home Style and Design with Denise Joy, you get the tips, inspiration, and motivation to create your lifestyle by design. Hey, what's up, good people? It's your girl, Denise Joy. I'm just popping in to share a quick hack with y'all. It's that time of year where, folks are meal prepping, meal planning, make ahead meals, you name it, just trying to get their head around, many people just want to eat healthier. I consider eating healthy one of the ways I show myself the ultimate self-care and self-love. Now, that also means that I make virtually 90% of my meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, every single day. Well, I make ahead, so I'm not making that meal every day. I am constructing a meal every day, but I do a lot of planning ahead. And this is a hack that I have for you all. These are ice cube trays. You can get them like 4 of these for like $10. They have that silicone bottom, so they're really soft and squishy, so you can freeze things in it and pop it out really fast. You could just do ice, but I'm going to share with you my hack for marinara sauce. All right, now you guys know that I am a multi-hyphenate eater. A little bit of pescatarian, a little bit of vegetarian, a little bit of vegan, and always gluten-free. Now, I made a marinara sauce the other day for my vegan meatballs, which turned out the bomb. I had them for lunch today, delicious. And I made extra marinara sauce on purpose because this coming weekend, I'm going to make a zucchini lasagna. Let me go back. A absolutely luscious, dreamy zucchini lasagna. You see how I rhymed that up right there. But anyway, so I made extra marinara sauce and I poured it into this wonderful silicone cube tray. And now I'm going to pop them out so that I can put them inside of a plastic bag and a Ziploc bag, and save them and freeze them, and then I can just take them out when I want them. So, for example, if I only need this side for my zucchini lasagna, that's all the cubes I'm going to use. It's super quick and easy to do. So you just take your cube tray, turn it upside down, turn some hot water. It don't even really have to be hot. You just need some water. Run the water along the bottom, get it a little bit loosened up, shake the water off, and I just have a little just a cloth napkin down here that I'm going to use. Pop the top off. Boom. I'll just show you guys up close. Look at all that yumminess. I put seasonings in there. I put some onion and garlic and cilantro. It's the bomb. Now, we're just going to take this and push each one of these down. Pop, 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 real fast. Doesn't take long at all. And empty tray. Got my cubes. Get your Ziploc bag. Pop those babies in there. Let me just, goodness, yes. Oh man, I wish I was making that zucchini lasagna tonight. Hey! Just pop them into your Ziploc bag. Squeeze the air out. Now, if you have a one of those, what's that machine called? The sealer, y'all know the name what I'm talking about. You could do this and vacuum seal it. I actually need to get me a vacuum sealer. But in the meantime, just press as much air out of your Ziploc bag as possible. And then you can write on here, yes, I'm OCD, y'all. Write on the bag that this is marinara sauce. I don't need to put the date on my bag because I use my stuff. Like I said, I make my food 90% of the time. So I don't never, rarely have anything like, oh my God, what is that? How long has it been in there? I'm using my stuff. So that's a quick and marvelous hack for you. So you can really make your meals ahead, maximize your time, maximize your self-love by making yourself yummy, delicious, make ahead meals that nourish your soul. Don't forget to prep. You forgot to prep. Don't forget to prep.